Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to remove unsubscribed contacts from Mailchimp. This is Mailchimp.com, and first I will log in to my account. Once you're inside your Mailchimp account, just click on All Contacts below Audience. If you think you have a small number of unsubscribed contacts that you want to remove, just click on Email Marketing in order to see the unsubscribed ones just like that. If you're like me and you have lots of unsubscribed contacts and you want to delete them, instead of clicking on email marketing just like that, create a segment. Click on this create segment button. From this list, select. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Email subscription status, and select this filter of unsubscribed. Now remove the subscribed status. Now this segment will filter contacts with the email subscription status is one of unsubscribed. Now click on review segment. Give it a name, for example, unsubscribed contacts. Click on review segment. Now they are filtering only the unsubscribed contacts. As you can see, I have 231 unsubscribed contacts. Click on use segment button. Now the unsubscribed contacts segment is saved and ready to use now. And as you can see, this is my unsubscribed contacts segments. Click on it in order to open it. And now all of this list is only the unsubscribed contacts. To select them all at once, just click on this little down arrow and click on select all. As you can see, 233 contacts is selected. Click on these three dots and select delete contacts. Here you can either permanently delete these unsubscribed contacts or just archive them. As you can see here, archiving does not contribute to contact limits or billing. I will go with permanently delete my unsubscribed contacts. Select it just like that and click on this continue to delete button. Here it is better to make sure that you are only deleting the exact number of your segments to not make a big mistake. Check this box next to I understand these contacts can never be re-imported again, and confirm your deletion by filling the word or the two words permanently delete in uppercase. Click on this permanently delete orange button and wait a second. As you can see, 230 contacts are going to be deleted. And this is how to remove unsubscribed contacts in Mailchimp. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.